Hey, I thought I'd make a part 2 on this since I didn't turn the system on, so we'll go ahead and see how it works. You can hear the tank running right now. Build up the pressure. So let's go. We'll go to this one right here. As you see, for the most part, the water stays in the boxes really well. Right now I have 8-foot round hedge sprinklers, and they have little baskets in them too. You see the water's staying in there real well. Makes it real nice. And here's one that isn't running. You just unscrew it if it gets clogged if you're using irrigation, and there's a little basket you clean out here. Pretty simple. Once again, these are 8-foot round hedge sprinklers. You see the boxes are getting very soaked, I mean real quickly. So it doesn't take much water at all because the water's right where you need it. Here, we'll go ahead and I'll walk through one here. Here's where the hose goes. A drain. Anywhere low in the line you want to drain. I use copper plumbing fasteners. This is all 3/4 pipe, and then I go down a 1/2 inch for the sprinklers. 3/4, 1/2 inch. I think that's important so you don't lose the volume of water.